portfolio companies, maybe in a certain vertical, maybe in a certain space, you can probably club them together. However, most organizations will still have their own nuances. They have their own business model. They have their own services or products they are selling, their own target market, etc. How much of standardization is, in your opinion, actually possible across portfolio companies?
So I would say probably 50 to 75% because the process in many cases is the same. Because you have to so many firms just share resources with their portfolio companies, which is a list of vendors, a list of contacts. But then with a playbook, you can take it a step further and have a step-by-step vendor selection process. And you can also use the playbook to share more information on each vendor, what is the cost, how it could help them. So you can save time to the portfolio companies and not necessarily force the change, but just give them a shortcut and say, well, you are in the supply chain business and there are 10 vendors we identified which would work well with you, and those are the contacts, and this is a step-by-step process to implement it. And now you can decide which one works best for you.